spoke into my car. That's my ride.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. That's a cop's ride if you touch him.
He just hit me in the face. You want to hit me again? Did you see him punch me in the face?
Yes, I struck you in the face.
Can you stop doing that, please?
No, because that officer, he hit me in the face.
Yes, I did.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Robert Anderson was hired as an officer to work for the West Washington University Police Department on January 10th, 2024. 10 days later, 2 police officers caught a homeless man breaking into Officer Anderson's private vehicle, and one of those 2 officers happened to be Anderson himself, just 10 days into the job, and still in field training.
He spoke into my car.
Hey, let me see your hands. Hey, get on the ground right now. Get on the ground right now. Lay on your belly.
Put your hands behind your back.
X-ray 22 Western. X-ray 11 has one in custody.
After cuffing the man, it was clear that he was suffering from mental issues, but while searching his person, Officer Anderson punches the man in the face, who then responds with racial slurs.
What you think you were doing on my ride, homie?
Huh?
That's my ride.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
My bad, bro.
No, it ain't your bad. It's you, dog.
Huh? I got confused with.
You ain't got confused or nothing. You got something that belonged to you.
No, I thought it was a different truck.
That's a cop's ride.
What?
That's a cop's ride if you touch him.
Whoa, man, take it easy.
No, I'm not taking it easy. Shut up.
You, man.
Shut up.
Hey!
Shut up.
What? What are you gonna do about it?
That's my ride, man.
What are you gonna do about it? Fuck.
Hey, what's your dog's name?
Desna. He just hit me in the face.
Come here.
You guys have camcorders on?
Yep, the recorder's on.
Okay. You wanna hit me again?
Sit.
So I'm gonna file a lawsuit.
You sure can.
Yeah.
Get up.
Nope, I can't get up.
Stand up.
I can't.
Stand up. I got you. Stand up.
Can't.
Stand up.
Bro, I can't.
Stand up.
I'm having trouble, bro. I'm having trouble breathing. Oh my god.
Stand up. I'm leaning up against the truck.
Okay. Okay.
There you go.
Don't.
Stand right there. There you go. Stand around. Turn around.
X-ray 22 X-ray. Can you do that code
Punch
2,
me in
please?
the face, bro. What's your problem?
That's my vehicle.
Yeah, but you wanna punch me in the face, bro? What's wrong with you? Are you some sort of f***ing Is that what you are?
There you go.
I'm not sitting down until I got a supervisor.
You supervisor right there?
I'm the supervisor. Sit and
No,
talk.
I'm not sitting down until I talk to the supervisor.
Sit down.
No!
There's some supervisor right here. Talk with him.
Okay.
Sit down.
The supervisor, Sergeant Wolf Lipson, was walking away from the scene when the assault occurred, but Officer Anderson admits to punching the suspect on their body cam footage.
Did you see him punch me in the face?
Yes, I
No,
struck
I
you in the
did
face.
not.
Huh?
Put your feet in, sit down, and
Can
we'll
I
talk.
talk to you?
We'll
Sit
talk in a
down
sec.
there.
You follow what he says, and then we'll talk.
He punched me in the face, bro. You see it in my eye.
I did hit you. That's what I did.
Yeah, you did. That's
Sit down.
not
Put your
moral.
feet in there.
Sit down.
Put your feet in
Put your
there.
feet in.
And sit down.
That's not moral. You're gonna close the door,
Yes,
though.
sir.
Let's seatbelt him in so he
That's
doesn't...
moral and moral, bro. Fucking funk ass.
No.
You're a fucking bitch ass, aren't you? Sucking fucking just a fucking bitch ass, aren't you? That's what you are, huh?
Turn around. Turn around.
What?
Turn around. Thank you very much. Turn around.
What? What?
Turn around.
What are you gonna do?
Are you done?
What are you gonna do?
Are you done?
You're gonna call me.
Are you
What
done?
are you gonna do? You're just.
Sir.
Are you gonna assault me again? You gonna assault me again?
X-ray 1022 Western. We're code 4 now, one in custody.
Officer Anderson looks over the damage to his vehicle as their suspect begins banging his head into the cruiser's window from the back seat. Meanwhile, Officer Todd Osborne arrives on scene.
Well, that hasn't happened here before. Let's,
You want to hold the dog?
yes, please.
Who's this?
This dog belongs to this gentleman here. Yeah, take a minute. I'm going to deal with this guy. Let's see. I don't think I've dealt with him before. Do we have ID on him yet?
All this stuff is there on the floor.
Okay.
What's he hitting the thing with? His head?
His head, yeah.
Can you stop doing that, please?
No, because that officer, he hit me in the face.
Okay,
Yes, I did.
We're gonna need to seatbelt you in.
No, I'm not letting that. Are you?
Enough.
Can't have you slamming your head.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Yes, you can.
Help! Help me!
You're yelling.
I can't breathe.
You are yelling.
I
No
can't.
one's pressing
No one's
on your
pressing at all.
torso.
You're yelling.
Officer punched me in the face.
Yes, I did.
My collarbone. It hurts. I'm on health issues. I'm on methadone.
Okay.
God,
Do you need medical at all, sir?
I might because of the way you
Straight 22
got me to the
Western.
ground.
Can you roll aid, please?
We'll get medical on you so I can check you out, sir.
You fucking, it's all on camera. You fucking
An ambulance was called to the scene due to a possible broken collarbone after being thrown out of the vehicle, and, other than wait for the ambulance, the officers really had nothing more to do, as another agency would be responsible for investigating the break-in due to a conflict of interest. But instead of allowing the man to exhaust himself on the ground in handcuffs until a rescue arrived, the officers decided to wrestle with him, exacerbating any possible injuries and mental crisis.
You're not supposed to do that, man. Just shoot me! Ah, you! You!
So I'm on your legs,
Okay.
and I'm on your butt. Okay, I'm not on your torso.
Okay.
And I want you to take a deep breath,
Okay.
and I want you to relax.
Okay, I'm trying to, but that guy, he's looking
I understand.
excessive force,
I
bro.
understand.
And you guys don't believe him. Don't believe me. You hit me, dog. You hit me. It's on your body cam.
Yes, and I admitted to it too. You know, don't be stealing from my ride, man.
Huh?
That's my vehicle you broke into. I ain't too happy about it.
Yeah, and that's for assault? Okay. Shoot me.
Well, we don't want to do that.
Why? Obviously he does.
I can have you sit back in the vehicle if you're not going to smack your head around in there.
No, I don't want to be in there.
Were you able to do a decent search on him or no?
Yeah, I got all the stuff on him. You can search him again.
Okay, I want to make sure he doesn't have any of your stuff.
Yeah, some of the stuff he has on
I don't. Stop f***ing hurting me, though.
Well, I'm not hurting you. I'm just checking your
He's not
pulse.
hurting you. You know he's not.
Okay?
Damn.
Get your left foot.
Ow! Don't pull me like that!
I was sitting you up so you could puke.
My handcuffs burn.
I was holding your arm, not by your handcuff.
The handcuffs are too tight or what? You need them loosened?
Yes, they're tight.
Lean forward. We're gonna try to loosen these cuffs for you. You need to throw up? Go ahead and throw up.
You guys really enjoy this, huh?
Actually, we really don't.
No, we don't.
This is not something we really want to get into. But this is what you called, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you like seeing people like me in misery.
You don't see like seeing what now?
You like seeing people like me
X-ray 22 Western.
in misery.
No, we don't like seeing anyone in misery.
No?
Earlier, Bellingham dealt with this person with a husky.
Yeah.
You call them and find out who he is.
After vocalizing several threats against his own life, an ambulance arrives on scene and takes the suspect to a hospital.
Put me out of my misery. Let me charge you. Just empty your gun on me.
Nobody's gonna do that. Actually, 11 medics is on scene. We got medics here to check on you.
No.
You said you were in pain. You have feeling some kind of way, weren't you?
Yeah, I guess. But
Well, we're not medical professionals, so we have someone who.
can I take my dog with me with them?
What's that?
They usually let me.
Well, let's see what they have for you at this point.
Okay.
He's provided mental health care and charged appropriately for his crime. But after the incident, the Bellingham Police Department was asked to do an internal review, after which they ended up sending it to the Mount Vernon Police to begin a criminal investigation into the punch of the handcuffed and homeless man. The Mount Vernon Police forwarded the case to the county prosecutor's office, who recently announced that they would be pursuing fourth-degree assault charges against Officer Anderson. 3 days later, on June 11th of 2024, he was fired by the West Washington University Police Department, and a second unnamed officer was given a paid vacation in the form of administrative leave. Let me know in the comments down below which officer you think was suspended. Note that July 11th was the first time that the public was made aware of this incident, as the department kept it quiet until now. Chief Potts of the Western Washington University Police Department says, quote, that officers are obligated to treat everyone with dignity, respect, and restraint, and that officers should only use force when it is deemed reasonable, based on the circumstances. The university is offering no further comment on the investigation. Let me know what you think of this interaction in the comments down below. And if you like this video, check out another episode, linked on screen.